Hello everyone. In this video, we start with module 5 and discuss one important concept called as backtracking. Then the backtracking is a technique used to solve some real-time examples. Unlike greedy method or dynamic programming, backtracking first generate all the possible solutions, then choose the optimal solution for given problem. Then some standard examples we are discussing or solving using backtracking are N-Queen's problem, sum of subset problem, graph coloring and Hamiltonian cycle. Then let us see what is backtracking general method. Then the desired solution is expressible as an n tuples from x1 to xn where the xi are chosen from some finite set of si. That is, you have the given set of elements. Out of this set of elements, you have to generate a vectors or n tuples by considering some of the set elements, and these subset or a vector used to generate a solution, desired solution for your given problem statement. Often the problem to be solved calls for finding one vector that maximizes or minimizes or satisfies a criteria function P. That is, by using the subset or a vector, we can design optimal solution. That optimal solution must satisfy the constraint given for that problem. Sometimes it seeks all vectors that satisfies P. Then some examples will use all the vectors or the subsets generated for the given problem to satisfy the problem or to solve the problem. Then suppose m is the size of set Si, then there are m is equal to m1, m2, mn, n tuples that are possible candidates for satisfying the function P. The basic idea is to build up solution vector one component at a time and to use modified criteria function P, sometimes called as bounding function, to test whether the vector being formed has any chance to success. That is nothing but choose the first vector and apply this first vector and follow the criteria and check whether it will generate the desired solution or not. If the first vector does not generate the desired solution, then choose the next vector and so on. And the major advantage of this method is this: if it is realized that the partial vector x1, x2, xi can no way lead to an optimal solution, then mi plus 1 up to mn possible test vectors can be ignored entirely. Then while using the vector, the partial vector is no lead to any optimal solution, then you have to ignore it entirely. Again, the backtracking, the principal idea is to construct a solution one component at a time and evaluate such partially constructed candidate as follows. If a partially constructed solution can be developed further without violating the problem's constraints, it is done by taking the first remaining legitimate option for the next component. If there is no legitimate option for the next component, no alternatives for any remaining component need to be considered. In this case, the algorithm backtracks to replace the last component of the partially constructed solution with its next option. This kind of backtracking is implemented by constructing a tree called as state space tree. In state space tree, its root represents an initial stage before the search for a solution begins. The nodes of first level in the SST represent the choices made for first component of a solution. The nodes of the second level represent the choices for the second component and so on.